We just barely cut up our green peppers. A little note on the green peppers. I use green peppers because I am a single mother and I don't have a huge budget. But to put some more color into your fajita, the orange, the red, the yellow peppers are also very delicious. And they have a little bit different taste. And so if you've got a few extra bucks, they tend to be like $1 more or something when you're in the grocery store. And with as much as I like to cook, it can get up there. And so I usually just stick with the green pepper because I get the taste that I want. But don't be afraid of those red, orange, and yellow peppers. Right now, I'm going to cut this onion, and we're going to cut it in strips. But one thing I want to really stress is how to hold this onion. When you're holding your produce, you want to usually hold it with your pinky, your thumb, and tuck your fingers in. I can't tell you how many times before I learned this method, how many times I had just about almost had to go to the hospital with an accident with cutting my fingers. And so before you actually start cutting, if you already have it in half like this, take off the extra layer up top, throw it away in your trash, and remember, grab your produce with your pinky, your thumb, and tucking your fingers in, holding it in like that. And so I'm going to cut them in strips like this, long ways, so they'll already all be cut off that top. Get rid of it, and keep going. Tuck those fingers in. I'm going to turn it over. Okay, finishing it up here. If people don't want the fajita, if people don't want the onions in their fajita, they don't have to take it if you serve it buffet style and they come and get it themselves. But you can do as much onion and cook as much onion in your chicken as you want. The more that you use in your pan, the more taste that your chicken will have. So go for it and use as much onion as you want.